The plan is to partially finish this basement. So we're gonna have a bathroom here tied into this existing plumbing that was done when the house was built in the 70s. And this is gonna be a room right here. It's gonna be a salon. So the regulations are the salon has to have a 7-foot ceiling and be finished. It's a little bit dusty. I'm getting ready to hang like potentially the last piece of drywall on this project. I might be hanging like one more small piece, but I just wanted to make a quick little video of where I'm at. This drywalling is a son of a gun. Definitely a skill that requires a lot of practice. You know, I mean, I got pretty sloppy right here. I'm just gonna try to mud that gap there.
Got to blur that out and get demonetized.
Yeah, I don't reckon I'll post this video.
Why not? You haven't posted a video in ages.
I know, man, I ain't had time. This is a pretty sweet camera, though.
This hallway here is actually done. It's already had its final coat of sanding. This room still needs one coat of sanding. Here's another. Alright, here is the final tour of this finished section of this basement here. Still got to do a few little details, but check it out. So my wife is actually taking many clients in this salon here. And everything is set up nice and works good. I've got enough power for her in different places for the blow dryers and There's a vacuum, hair dryer. She's got an outlet right here in this seat, and then one on this side of this chimney. She's got some storage here, and then storage in here. We'll take a look in there in a minute. She's got this nice sink here. Have the water coming in here. And then right behind this vacuum, I have the water shut off for all of this work that I did. So the water comes in, goes down to a central point where you can shut it off, hot and cold, to service any of this stuff that I installed, to include the bathroom, washer and dryers, and this sink over here. And then here's my well system. So I have a sediment filter here. Mounted that to the wall so you can change the filter very easy. Got a sub panel here. The main panel is outside. Also have a light in here. Let's turn that on. So yeah, you can see good in here. You need to be able to see where your water is. So ran HVAC to this room and to the bathroom, which is required in North Carolina. If you have a salon, you have to have a bathroom. So here's the toilet. I love this toilet down here. It's very private, and you can access it from the inside of the basement as well. I didn't finish the ceiling in here, with future plans down the road to actually make a full bathroom down here. Got some storage in here, HVAC up there. Let's look at it from the outside. To access your laundry, you can open up these two doors. Yeah, have plenty of room to do your laundry. So yeah, that's pretty much it. This is my first time doing anything like this. It's a lot of work, but this is how you access the salon from inside. But I think it turned out good for having zero experience.